Hey guys, what up? Today we're doing another video, but this is I made a lot different. For some reason I just came up with this. Did another vlog today to start the video off. Yes, you can see my gaming stuff right there. But yeah, another vlog today. And it's going to be a lot different. So before I start getting in to the video, look at this. So if we take a look right here, so the Osway mesh mask, that one right there. So yeah, it's only €10, and this is on airsofterra.com. Airsoft Era, I mean, it's in Dundalk. So go there and buy your mesh masks. Best place ever to start off. So I'm gonna give you a glance of where all my airsoft stuff is, and then I'm gonna open everything and show you. So the first thing is right here. There's one airsoft stuff. There's all my airsoft stuff right there. That's the first drawer. Then in here, this is another glance. Then down here, in here, and then my vest and my jeans to keep me safe from bullets hitting me and stuff. So let me just show you. Weather's terrible. Let me just show you all my stuff and open. So in my drawer here we have a balaclava. I'll show you everything on me at the end, except my jeans, because my jeans are very hard to get on me. So I'll just put on my vest rather than my jeans, my whole gear. So I am wearing my whole gear at the end, but just not my jeans because they're very hard to get on. So I have a balaclava to protect to protect my chin, my lips, and not to protect my eyes or my nose. But I'm ordering a mesh mask. That's one I showed you, and I've goggles. So, but I don't actually need them if I'm getting a full mask that covers your face. So here's balaclava. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks quite weird on me. Yeah. But when I have my whole gear on, it looks a lot better. So let me just fold it. Yeah, I have to fold it to actually fit it in here. So next we'll take out. So I'm going to take out all my BB containers. All these. So I have a lot. Then these, then, oh yeah, that one broke. Okay, so, we'll do these first. So these are the Unistyle 2000 BB pellets. They only use them for pistols because they're lower range than BBs they use for rifles. So, and pistols should be lower range than rifles. Depends what pistol you get. So the BBs, there's a couple of bulldogs in here, so very good. Go get them. Don't need about €5 for 2,000 of them. Definitely worth it. And next container, probably my favorite out of all of them, except this, is this one. So there's two of them, but this one's my favorite. This one has crappy BBs in it, and I always know that this one has crappy BBs in it because this has ticker tape on it. This is lighter. This has a bigger see-through bottom, and this has a smaller see-through bottom. So, and inside, I just got Tic Tac containers and opened them, and there's a couple of BBs. Yeah, these are the ones with good BBs in it. And this has crappy leaves in it. So this is my favorite out of all of them, except that one. So really good. Just get Tic Tac containers, peel off the labels, and tape around them, and then obviously eat the Tic Tacs first, or just bin the Tic Tacs, and then put BBs in it. It's really good. You just pop it open, pour out some BBs, load it in your mark. Really good. So the next thing I have is, yes, this one. This is different, bigger. It has a bigger bottom on it, and this has the camouflage ones, and the camouflage ones are crappy. They go about 160 feet per second, and the rifle down there in my container shoots 200 FPS, and it only shoots 120 because these BBs are useless. They recommend not use them because they won't go as far. Luckily, the crappy BBs don't have any ridges on them. Ridges are like scrapes in the middle. They'll ruin your gun. So always check your BBs. These are the crappy ones. These are the good ones. You can tell the difference. So yeah. Next we have these. I use this container a lot. I use this a lot, but I always refill this. This, I never refill it, but I use this a lot. I mark this with one bulldog in it because I have two of these containers. I put this BB in it, but the bottom has tape on it and my other one doesn't. But at the time, it didn't have tape on the bottom. So yeah, I just put a bulldog in to mark it. I don't use the bulldogs that I mark it with. I only use the bulldogs in this one. So yeah, this has crappy BBs in it with ridges on them. Some of them have ridges. And then it has the BBs that came with these. I just literally got it and put it in. So yeah, this can fit up to 250 to 300 BBs. Definitely really good container. Get them. They hold a crest in them, so get a crest, take it out, either throw it away or wear it, and then just use it. Next one we have is this. I actually don't use this a lot. I only put this amount in it, so yeah. Bulldog, and then this actually has all the good BBs in this one. I actually don't use this a lot. I don't know why, but it's good BBs, very smooth from the big container, as you can see. There's a lot of yellows, and right there, one bulldog. Really good BBs. So, let me just put my BBs back in, and then I'll show you my other ones. So yeah. So here we go. This is a big container, as you can see. It says Heroes on it. Cadbury's. So as you can see, that bit right there. It's, yeah, you'll see in a minute. So makes a big sound. This is my scarf. This has, this has tissue in it because, I don't know, had a bit of dirt at the end of it. Didn't want my scarf to have dirt all over it. But this is supposed to protect your neck from any BBs hitting your neck. Just wraps around like that. And I wrap this one that way and then hold it like this. And just like that. I know, looks a bit weird. That is my computing center where I do all my computing stuff. Mostly editing. Not editing on YouTube. I don't really edit that much on YouTube, but I edit my laptop all the time. Try to make a really cool trying to make a channel on my edit out stuff on my Google account. So yeah, really good. Definitely get neckwear, even though the balaclava has neckwear. The bullet will still not penetrate through it, but it will penetrate on it, and it will still hurt. It won't really do much to protect your neck unless you have a scarf. So always get a scarf to protect your neck, or if you have like a full face mask and like a thick t-shirt that goes up to like here, then don't bother. Only a misfire will hit your neck. I've never gotten a misfire in my neck, but just in case, you don't want to take the chance. So if you don't mind taking the chances, then go ahead and then wear one. But I would recommend wearing. So this is the first drawer. So give you a quick glance. Sorry about that. So there we go. Quick glance. Okay. So now we gotta start getting quick because I can only do a 15-minute video, or YouTube won't let me upload it. So next, my crappy BB gun, but it shoots 200 FPS, but with a handle on it that I modified onto it. I'm getting another rifle, so I didn't really give a shit what I done to it. So yeah, but obviously I didn't take out the internals just in case. Oh, God dang it, it's hard. God. And then you just hold it like this. Safety is here. Switch it up and can't fire. Switch it down. This will make a loud noise, so I'm gonna cover one ear. Okay. Very loud. So good gun. Definitely good beginner's weapon. So next in here we have a container. So this has my magazine for my weapon. Yeah, quite good. It has a magazine for a pistol. My pistol broke, so I just carried it around. It has a silencer for whatever, what it got. Yeah, and it has tape. Yeah, which I taped that gun actually while I was in a battle. So I always carry tape in case something breaks or you want to do a modification during the battle. So that's my camera. Next we have. I'm actually not going to be able to wear all my clothes. I'll do that in a different video because I don't have enough time. Oh, different container. So, oh yeah, I forgot I was going to end the video. I'll wear next. We have this. With this. Let me just pause the video for a second. So I have my vest on now, and in my vest we have 2 pouches here for magazines, 1 pouch up here for a pistol magazine. Actually, these are for containers, BBs, pistol magazine container, spare BBs in here, and then spare BBs in here. Moving up, we have long mags for rifles and rifles here. Then I have my BB helmet with the neckwear and my face mask and mortaring and my balaclava. And you just pop it on right here. Here's a strap. Normally don't use a strap because I don't like it, but you can use it. It's alright. Yeah, I don't like it. Alright. I only have a couple of seconds left. Then I have my bag that I carry all my gear in. Everything. My rifle. All that you need. So, yeah. Give you a quick glance before I go. That's my military bag, and